'Cause you're a superstar. You got the face that they've been looking for. You're a superstar. You got the face that they've been dreaming of. You're a superstar. You got the face that they've been looking for. You got the look, you got the star. I'd like to be you for a while. People watching every move you make. You fake a smile with every picture they take. 'Cause you're a superstar. You got the face that they've been looking for. You're a superstar. You got the face that they've been looking for.
Yes, welcome po sa pinakabagong show ng Core TV and I'm Jess and this is Iloganda. At masaya-masaya po ako sa bagong career na ito at nagpapasalamat din po ako sa Core Productions, especially to Ma'am Rochelle. Thank you po ma'am. Thank you so much. Ang show po nito ay para po sa inyo at para po mabigyan kayo ng kasiyahan sa buong linggo and of course, we'll be guesting people na talaga naman nagbibigay ng saya at aliw sa ating lahat. And abangan nyo po sa mga susunod na episodes ang mga segments na ihanda namin para sa inyo. So this week in our show, makakasama ko ang hot at gwapong-gwapong host ng Wake Up Ilocos at kailangan talaga pa ulit-ulit ang hot at gwapong-gwapo. He's none other than Delmar Lianes. Ang isa ko pang guest at a friend of mine, kapatid ko sa paniniwala pero syempre mas matangkad, mas talented at syempre, of course, mas maganda ako sa kanya. At magaling daw siyang magpatawa at marami din daw siyang mga racket. Kilalanin natin mamaya si Murphy Lucero Reynante. Kaya tumutok lang kayo dito sa pinaka-bongga, pinaka-exciting at pinaka-baliw na shows dito sa Core TV. This is Iloganda.
The face that they've been looking for.